Okay, so today we got off work early. I got my jobs done at work. So now I'm going to be moving into my new shop. Super exciting. I'm renting a space down in a place called Bowling Green. And we're gonna bring the 240 down there and my truck full of supplies. We're gonna set up. I think it's time to start digging into the body. As you can see, there's lots of stuff that just needs repaired. And like I've got Type X fiberglass stuff. That might go on, might not, but yeah, I think it's time to start digging into this body, start fixing stuff so I can get ready to paint it. Okay, so we are at the shop, and let me flip the camera around. This is the 240 set up in my corner of the shop. We've got all my supplies over there to start tearing it down. Got some other cars here, which is cool. We got a lift here. It's pretty nice. It's really fun. It's nice that I have some friends that are willing to let me use the shop and be a shopmate. Back in here is cool. This is probably where I'm gonna spray some parts and do some of that. I don't know what we're doing with this, but yeah, this is where the 240 is gonna live for a while and where I'm gonna rough in all the body. And yeah, I'm super excited about it. I need to get another one of these lights because my corner is a little dark, but we're about to circle all the dents and dings and dry off the car, and I'll show you what we got. All right, so we got all the dents circled on the car. What we're doing is we're just going around circling all the dents we can see, everything visible, so that way, A, you don't miss any, and B, we can just know exactly where they are. As you can see over here, we circle them with pen or marker, paint marker. And yeah, that's what we're doing. I think we got everything. There's a lot of little dings, nothing too crazy, but the rear quarters will take some time, and then there's some bigger dents that'll probably take a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna try to save as much of the OEM. Like, I'm not gonna try to replace any of these panels. I wanna just save them. So we're gonna try to fix as much of this as we can. I think it's all within reason of fixable. Worst case scenario, we'll just start cutting shit up and we'll start putting a wide body kit on it or something, but I don't think that's necessary. And yeah, so here's day one of many to come, fixing the body of this car.